Amaromda India BLOC Manipur YAOBA political party taragi mihut singna Manipur HOUJIK OIRAKLIBA PHIVAM asigi Matangda ngase BHAVAN da CHATTUNA Governor UIKEY da Memorandum ama PISHILURABA Matung Chief Minister gi BUNGLOW da ngase NUMIDANGWAIROM PUNG TABA ADUWAIDA AMUK CHATTUNA Chief Minister Biren Da Memorandum ama Pishinduna Thokliba Irang Asigi Matangda Kupna KHANA NEINAKHI PUNG ama makhairom Chief Minister Biren ga MEEHUT Singh aduga wari sanaduna memorandum PISHILURABA Matung Paumi Shinga unabada CPI ge senior leader Dr. M Narana hai ngasigi mifam adu yamna kanaba mifam amani haina lawe HOUJIK state asida leiriba issue ase kiningai oiba moongda tholokpa yai haiba ase thokliba thodo wathok sing asina mayek sengna takpa ama oibana political party sing gi oiba mifam ama pangthoksi haina mamangdagi political party singna takshiduna lakpane ngasi chief minister ga unaba aduda lamdam asida thokliba irang ase mahausa ge fibamda athuba matamda hanjilaknabagi matangda kumna khanakhe chief minister na so MEEHUT Singh asina fonglukliba wafam adu munna takhe Mifam aduda political party singe MEEHUT Singhna party ki khenaba thamdana amana amagi mateng pangnaduna irang ase mahausa ge fibamda hanjil halaknaba amato oina kyanakhe Chief Minister Biren awat apa khudingmak menkhatnaba honagi haibagi thajabasu pirakhi haina magna maka takhi
Support tongnaba makhal mathel gi miyam asigi pendaba oithokpa yaba lambi asida state government amasung central government loinana Sason Pairi but Dolgi, Lobum Topa Daitam, Madu, Logadabani, Hibasi, Hainamatam, the Madu, Koipunamang, Loyanova, Portama Purki. I call Jiki Lariba situation city, my Ampunam Kangbi, Hojiki, violence is Karam Tona, Torokpa, Madu, Karam Tona, Tingna of Honava Hibasi, Achoba Tabaamani, Maramaduna, I call political parties Punoxi, Dola Doli, Yuakal Kenabak, Naidana, to save the integrity of the state. Loina na people ki sufferance puna masikono bhonabada ano thabakuta umada madu from time to time all political parties madu su inform torga ano thabakuta umada akoi changchin si haibagi naina badu madi koi mod amata khenna yanaki madu gi line da honorable CM su ma ngamim kai hanagi soiramba award apa leide puna makse makeup tongna bo honagi haiba pot amasu assurance su piri ko sikakta ni koi na naina policy matter da change khara lakani madu Miyam gi interest magi tongan ba vested interest yaugdana miyam asigi amasung state asigi future karamna kangedagi karamna manglom chakadagi haibaduda policy making body oina political party singi regular oina phamgudaba meeting madugi mathang step by step chatharangna ba madom mod pinabadu yanagi
Amarom da Manipur MP elect Dr. Angomcha Bibol akoijamna hai Lamdam masida Thokliba Irang ase lengakna mahausa gi fibamda hanjil hanaba honarakpa thaurang pumnamak taram okane ngasigi mifam adu maru oina lamdam masida Thokliba Irang ase athuba matamda karamda loisil hangadage haibi matangna pangthokhibane lengakki maikaidagi Irang ase mahausa gi fibamda hanjilaknaba akal mongdo honari haina thamdakhe relief camp singda changjafam lawduna leiriba kaya asege yaifanaba thabak thoram khudingmak paikhatnaba mahakki maikaidage lengakta thamlamki hainasu mahakna makha takhi
relief camps such as to take care of the education of the children in the relief camp that I personally raised that issue to our Honorable CM. He said he will look into that. Today we just came to submit a memorandum we raised some issues such as to reinforce security in Jiribam for instance and also see what are the ways in which this settlement normalcy can be restored in the state. That's why my party president must have spoken to you, as well as the convener of the India BLOC. They said that they're trying, so they're expecting that this new government might take some new steps. So we are looking forward to any steps to restore normalcy. We'll welcome.